Ever wonder what life will be like with COVID-19 in 2026? Let's jump into a time machine and explore what the future might hold, based on what scientists and experts are predicting. First off, the good news. By 2026, it's highly likely that COVID-19 will have transitioned from a pandemic to an endemic disease. What does that mean? Think of the seasonal flu. It's still around, but it's much more manageable and predictable. We'll see seasonal peaks, probably in the fall and winter, but we won't be living in a constant state of emergency. Society will have largely returned to normal. Massive lockdowns and widespread mask mandates will be a thing of the past, something we tell our kids about. International travel will be back in full swing, and you'll be able to plan that big overseas trip without worrying about sudden border closures. Now, let's talk about the virus itself. SARS-CoV-2 isn't just going to disappear. It will keep evolving, just like other viruses do. We'll likely see new variants pop up from time to time. But here's the key difference. Our immune systems will be much better prepared. Thanks to a combination of vaccination and natural infection, most people will have a strong layer of immunity. This immunity wall means that even if a new variant emerges, it's less likely to cause severe illness on a massive scale. For the majority of people, getting COVID in 2026 might feel like a bad cold or a mild flu. You'll feel sick for a few days, rest up, and then get back to your life. This brings us to treatments and vaccines. By 2026, our medical toolkit will be incredibly advanced. We'll have next-generation vaccines. Imagine a single shot that protects you against multiple variants of COVID and maybe even several different types of coronaviruses at once. These pan-coronavirus vaccines are a major goal for researchers. Plus, getting vaccinated might become as simple as using a nasal spray instead of a needle. Annual COVID shots, perhaps combined with the flu shot, will likely become a routine part of our healthcare, especially for older adults and people with underlying health conditions. What about when you do get sick? Treatment will be faster and more effective. Instead of rushing to the hospital, you'll probably be able to take a highly effective antiviral pill at home, similar to how we treat the flu now. These pills will stop the virus from replicating in your body, shortening the illness and preventing severe symptoms. Rapid tests will also be cheaper, faster, and more widely available, so you can get a diagnosis in minutes and start treatment right away. This will be a game changer in stopping the spread and keeping people out of the hospital. Our public health systems will also be transformed. The pandemic was a huge wake-up call. By 2026, we can expect to see much better global surveillance systems. Scientists will be able to detect new variants or even entirely new viruses much earlier. Imagine a global weather forecast system, but for diseases. This will allow governments and health organizations to respond proactively, preventing a small outbreak from becoming the next global crisis. We'll also see big improvements in things like indoor air quality. Better ventilation and air filtration in schools, offices, and public transport will become the new standard, making these spaces safer for everyone, not just from COVID, but from all sorts of airborne illnesses. So, what's the bottom line for 2026? Life will feel very normal again. We'll have accepted that COVID-19 is a part of our world, but we'll have the tools and the knowledge to live with it safely. It will have become a manageable respiratory illness, something we're aware of but not afraid of. The scars of the pandemic will remain, but they will have also made us stronger, more resilient, and better prepared for whatever health challenges the future holds. We will have learned to adapt, and that's a powerful thing. What do you think 2026 will look like? Let me know your predictions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more glimpses into our future.